emphasis on research. So I'd like to ask you, why exactly is research so very important? Is it for the purpose of solving problems and progress?
Uh, it is a well debated, well argued, and well accepted principle that the world's greatest universities are those which do research and which provide education. The reason why it is so is simply this, that when there is a flourishing research program in the university, then the frontiers of knowledge get advanced, and when the frontiers of knowledge get advanced, some of those ideas, of course from that university and elsewhere, they they are they are used to update the quality of education. Number two, you need a larger and larger number of teachers, and for teachers to be able to provide provide enough grit to the bright, inquisitive students like you, people who ask a lot of fundamental questions, who are very curious to understand complex issues. If the teachers have done research, if they have done independent thinking, if they have solved the real life problems using formal knowledge, then they will be able to encourage these students better and better and better. So that's the reason why most well-known universities in the US or Europe, etc., they have a very good research program and concurrently a very good education program. In the US, there are what are called liberal arts colleges, where they do not have a PhD program, they do not have a master's program. The only program they have is undergraduate teaching. But students who pass out of those universities, they generally go for masters and PhD in universities. So it is needed to have concurrently both a good research program and a good education program. They go together. Also, in most well-known universities in the US at least, undergraduate students are encouraged to do research because they find that when the students are young, they have a lot more energy, they have fewer assumptions, and therefore they are able to think of problems better than older people. And the best way to inculcate this is to start that orientation of inquiry, orientation of independent thinking pretty early. And people have found that those students who started research at a pretty early program are more successful. For example, my own son, when he was in second year at Cornell,